What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. So specifically what we need to be looking at in today's video is we definitely have to do some tweaking to the charts, some massaging to the charts. I don't know, whatever you guys want to call it, but I do know that you guys, so many people get so upset when I slightly tweak charts. It's so funny to me that that you guys think the second I draw a line that it needs to be set in stone, when in reality, this is by no means crypto is a closed system, so the same thing doesn't happen. So tweaking the charts is a necessary process. I know some of you guys don't feel that way, but you know, I'd love to hear your opinion on it down in the comments below. But we are going to be doing some tweaking. We need to do some tweaking to the XRP price ceiling. We need to do some tweaking. Ethereum looks okay. Tweaking to the Bitcoin chart, and the S&P 500 looks okay as well. Yesterday we weren't open because of Good Friday. Didn't realize that when I made yesterday's video, but now I do know. So yes, that did happen for the S&P as of yesterday here. So we have to look at a lot of different interesting things here, a lot of more consolidation. We're probably now going to be squeezing into, I'd say we could see a pump this weekend. It's very possible, but I think we're going to start to see it come maybe Monday, if Monday isn't a holiday. I know Sunday, I believe, is Easter. So some people celebrate it or acknowledge it on Monday. So I don't know. I don't know how everything is going to work here. Sunday or Monday, we might have the markets closed. I'm not entirely sure, but we'll see how everything pans out. I didn't do my research as to what days are closed this week before I'm making today's video, but so be it. But we do have to look at these charts here because we are getting very, 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 very close to the edge here, which means we are going to have decisions that need to be made and dealt with here. And yeah, we do need to get behind it before it pumps pretty soon. So with all that being said, though, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So as you guys can see, yesterday we made a video basically talking about the high possibility of seeing another break to the upside as of yesterday. You can see the beautiful, yet again, bull flag formation that was forming right here, and we can see a lot of these were starting to form, you know, yet again on XRP. You can see another potential bull flag formation here. That's why we beautifully outlined it in yesterday's episode here. The possibilities of seeing a run to the upside. We don't know, obviously, if it's going to happen just yet. That's why we have to start making some tweaks to the charts here to get a better general understanding of what exactly is going on. Now, with XRP specifically, this is what we're looking at here. You can see, I just want to ever so slightly tweak that. I know you guys are going to kill me. I tweaked the chart. I know, but it does make a little bit more sense to have it like this. You can see we do have the uptrend clearly folding out right now, and there's tons of resistance. I mean, we're following this to a T. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles resistance right here. We have more here and more on the top resistance right here. So very excited to see how this pans out today. As we are filling in the gap, we are trading sideways. We're starting to correct lower here. I'm looking to see how this sort of bull flag formation here decides to break out. Are we going to be breaking through resistance? Are we going to be breaking through support, falling lower, moving to the upside? We don't know exactly, but we do know that the time has pretty much come. And, you know, what's interesting, what I'd like to see happen, or what I want to see happen, or what I'm curious to see will happen, is how do we trade out now? Because, you know, we closed yesterday, the stock market was closed, and usually we don't see much trading Saturday and Sunday, which is today and tomorrow. So there's a chance we could just flatline out of this and then maybe see some movement come Monday here. But, you know, there's still obviously huge possibilities of breaks to come. I don't know exactly what we're going to be doing. All I know is that I can track it here and figure out what exactly is going on. We could very easily be extending these, you know, lower. It's very possible that we would need to extend these even lower here, and maybe we start to continue the trend inside the channel here, you know, this descending fractal. It's very possible. I don't necessarily know just yet what's to come, specifically because we're looking at things on the 4-hour charts, which is so aggressive and so quick, and definitely not something I, you know, recommend trading on. I don't necessarily like trading on it myself because of how quickly and aggressive things move when looking at XRP on the 4-hour. It's not the best idea. Even on the daily, we're okay right now. We're still trending inside of here, but more so we'll get more answers on the weekly here And you can see we've now pretty much, or we're going to be closing a candle yet again below this major resistance where we have not been able to break through the weekly moving average just yet. We've trended through it intra-week, you can see right here, but we ended up coming right back down to close above resistance. So I'd like to see how we pan out. Now, truly, I believe long-term we should very much so be breaking through this and trending inside just like we've done in the past here as we're starting to enter what I believe is the kind of consolidation period here, the uncertainty period within XRP. As you know, and as we've talked about, there's kind of three confirmations, three types of cycles here. On XRP specifically, there's the uncertainty period, which I just drew. There's the bull markets, which I'm drawing now. And then we have the bear markets, which I'm drawing now. So that's what we're looking for here. So you can see we have a 3-cycle period that lasts about 3.5 to 4 years on average. We have a lot of this uncertainty within the circles here, which end up usually moving back up to moving average. You can see that's exactly what we did. And that's exactly what we're doing right now. And what comes after that, which after a couple months to a year, is the bull market, starts to break bullish here on XRP, which is exciting too. But the problem is because we're inside of here, we're trying to figure out what exactly we're retesting. There's a big chance now that I'm looking at this, maybe this movement here and then the consolidation could not necessarily be this, but more so a movement of the sort where this is the first retest. Then we're going to see consolidation and then we'll kind of break out like that. Instead of, this is the first retest we had here. This is the first retest of moving average we have here. Although this could be referencing this portion right now, I don't think that's the likely scenario here. There's a good chance that because we just retested resistance here, we just retested moving average, that we could reject off this for a couple weeks and then come back up to blast through it. That's kind of where my theory is leading me to. The charts are starting to lead me to here. So we could reject off this. We could consolidate a little bit longer. It's very possible. And then we could head up. Regardless of when, I do strongly believe we are still going to be retesting and getting back inside this moving average very soon, which is quite exciting to ask me. But right now, I am kind of a sitting duck waiting to see what exactly goes on with a lot of these cryptos because they are super aggressive trades. But moving forward to look at BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leverage exchange. For those that don't know, BidFi offers Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Polkadot, Chainlink. They even offer leverage trading of the sort. Buy long, sell short, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you can possibly think of is offered on BidFi, including XRP trading. It don't get any better than that. They have all the major cryptocurrencies. They have all the major altcoins. And they have XRP. I don't know how many times I have to keep saying that, but that's something that's huge in this type of market to be able to have XRP to leverage trade. So it's super cool that they even offer that. Another really cool feature that I like is because we talk about XRP all the time, the fact that you can even just use it as spot trading on the classic version and just buy and hold on to XRP is also a really cool feature that BidFi offers. Now they also have a demo account which does give you 100 grand in Monopoly money to kind of test your skills, which is also really cool. So not only can you use the platform risk-free by using the demo account, you can also sign up to the platform completely free with the link down in the description. And then even more, the best part is by clicking welcome rewards after you signed up, or if you already have an account, clicking welcome rewards can earn you up to $2,888 in rewards for just completing a few simple tasks. Super easy, super simple. Make sure to jump on that. Link is down in the description below. If you're not in it, you ain't gonna get it. So, definitely make sure to check that out. But moving forward from BidFi and from XRP, looking at these other cryptos, because we do have to make a few other small adjustments here. Ethereum looks okay, and by some surprise here, we aren't seeing what could be a bull trap formation here because we seem to be holding out support fairly well. As you know, we did have this beautiful bull flag breakout here. And I'm praying that we can continue up like that. I really do believe that's what's going to happen. We did kind of get stopped out a little bit when we fell yesterday, it was yesterday here. And now we're starting to reverse back up, hopefully, but we did find support. We are using support quite well. And if we can reverse off that, I will be buying back in with the intention of seeing markets swing back to the upside. Now, I do want to slightly tweak Bitcoin. I know you guys are going to get super upset when I do this, but this is, part of the game. I'm going to move it like this. This is now what I'm starting to see as a possibility. We could even move it higher. I know that's crazy. Yeah, I could leave it like that. We could leave it like this. I don't know. I'm going to leave it like this for now. Or, it's so tough. I it really doesn't matter because it's in the past here, but let's leave it like this for now. And you can see now that we're filling in the gap here yet again, creating higher lows with the same resistance here. So each time we fall lower, it's higher than the previous one, and we're slowly getting sandwiched between this rock and a hard place here. So a decision is going to have to be made. Will we be breaking through the price ceiling on the 4-hour, or will we be breaking through the moving average? Either direction we decide to do that, I do believe it's going to result in a very popular pump in some sort of direction, either a bullish break to the upside or a bullish break to or a bearish break to the downside here, but we'll be able to long it to the upside with leverage or short it to the downside with leverage. Either way, we're going to win, which is quite exciting. So keep your eyes peeled on this as we fill in this gap here. The S&P 500 is closed, and to wrap things up for today's video, I do believe come maybe Monday or Tuesday, we should start to head up. That's really my opinion here. Things don't look all that bad. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.